Hello friends, I am Anwesha and I welcome all of you to this channel Aspiring Banker Anwesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. In this video today, I will be solving the reasoning section of IBPS RRB PO Prelims memory based question paper. This question paper has been taken from the Adda daily quiz. So let's start the video and let's solve the question paper. And all of you who are going to attempt IBPS RRB PO Prelims in the upcoming shifts, I request all of you to solve the question paper to practice the memory based questions. Okay, so let's start. This is the first question, and as we can see, this is a circular arrangement. Okay, so let's solve it. 10 persons sit around a circular table. 10 persons, so let's quickly make 10 places, and let's make one more for possibility. Okay, now all of them are facing inside. 3 persons sit between C and F. 3 persons sit between C and F. Okay, G sits second to the left of F. G sits second to the left of F. So we have two possibilities here: C 1 2 3 F and C leaving 3 spaces F. And G is second to the left of F, which means here G will sit over here and here G sits over here. Okay, next, 2 persons, G sits second to the left of F. 2 persons sit between G and A, who is not an immediate neighbor of C. So 2 persons sit between G and F, not an immediate neighbor of C. So G and A. 1 to A, no, A here, and here also A will come in the second possibility. A will come here. Okay, next, L sits immediate left of E. So L sits immediate left of E. Neither of them are immediate neighbors of A. Okay, so here we have how many places? So here LE cannot come, so LE can come either here or here. Okay, so here also if you see, LE cannot come in these 2 places, so LE can come either here or here, so we will leave this condition for now. Next is B sits second to the right of K. So B sits second to the right of K. D sits third to the left of C. D sits third to the left of C. So 1 2, so if you look at this condition, leaving 2 spaces, D should come here, but already A is present here, so this condition is wrong. Okay, so D sits third to the left of C, so 1 2 3, so D comes over here. Okay, C, who is not an immediate neighbor of H. So C is not an immediate neighbor of H. Fine, so now we can place this LE together. So we have this 2 places for LE, and L sits immediate left of E. So let's place E here. L sits immediate left of E, so L will come here. Now this condition B and K. So for this, so where will we place it? So let's place K over here and B over here. Okay, so now we have 1 place left for H. H is over here, so this question is solved. This is your final arrangement. Okay, this question should not take more than 3 minutes, max to max 3 minutes. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Now next we have inequality based questions. So let's see the first one: S greater than V. S greater than V. Now let's look at S. So here it is closed. Here you have less than. So this is wrong. Okay, S equal to V can also not be concluded, because here you have less than, here you have greater than. So both of these are false. Now can we say either? No, either cannot be said, because for either we need all the 3 signs. Okay, so the answer is neither, conclusion 1, not 2. Next, M greater than E. M greater than E, M is here, E is over here. Now here you have a less than symbol, so this is wrong. A greater than equal to K. A is over here, K is over here. A greater than, but here you have a less than symbol. Okay, and here it is greater than equal to, which cannot be true because of this less than symbol. So this is again incorrect. So neither 1 nor 2. Next, B less than E, B now less than equal to less than E. Yes, this is correct. A greater than M, A greater than M is incorrect because of this less than symbol. So this is incorrect. So your answer is only conclusion 1. Next, H less than E. H, here you have a less than symbol. Yes, this is correct. O less than K. So O is over here. So less than equal to less than. Yes, this is also correct. So both 1 and 2. Option D. Next, let's solve this question. 6 persons P, Q, R, S and T and U are of different weights. The fourth heaviest person is 64 kg. Okay, very easy. So let's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I always do this. It's up to you whether you want to do it. Fourth heaviest person is 64. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 64. Q is lighter than only T. Q is lighter than only T. 2 persons in between R and U whose weight is 51 kg. 51 kg, so either 1 or 2, and 2 persons between R and U. So this means R cannot be, U cannot be placed over here because there is no space for R. So U has to be placed over here. 1, 2, here R. Okay. Now S is not heavier than P, which means P here and S will be here. So this is your arrangement. Next, a 1 mark question. If in the word snitched, vowels are replaced by its previous letter, vowels by its previous letter, consonants by its next letter, then how many letters appear twice? Okay, snitched, vowels by its previous letter, H, then D, D, and consonants by its next letter, T, O, U, D, I, E. So this means only D appears twice. So your answer is 1. Next is this puzzle. 9 persons are selected in 3 different departments of a company: marketing, HR and finance. Okay, so let's make this one: marketing, HR, finance. Okay, at least 2 but not more than 4. So at least 2 and maximum 4. So let's make 4 spaces. Okay, are selected in the same department. U selects only with S. U selects only with S but not in marketing department. U selects only with S but not in the marketing department. Fine. Next, V and Q are selected in the same department but not with R. V and Q same department but not with R. T selects in the marketing department. Okay. Next, W and X selects in the same department. W and X in the same department. R neither selects marketing nor HR, which means R is here. Okay. Then P does not select the same department as W. So P is not with W. X selects neither in HR department nor with P. So X is not with P, that we know, but X is also not in the HR department. Okay, fine. So U and S should come together and they will come alone. So U and S should come in the HR, right? And in the HR we will not have anything else. So let's cross it. Next, V and Q will come together but not with R's. This means V and Q should come in the marketing department. W and X will come together but maximum 4, so cannot come in the marketing. So W and X in the finance. W and X will not come with P, so P will come in the marketing. So now let's check whether 9 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 people are there. So this is our complete arrangement. Next is this 1 mark question. How many pair of digits are there in the number? Okay, fine. So we know what this question asks. So let's see. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 9, 5. then 6 5 4 3 2, no, 8 8 7 6 5 4 3, yes, 8 and 3, 5 and 7, 1 and 3, yes, no other pair. So how many? 1 2 3 4, 4 pairs. So option D is your answer. Next, find the odd one out. Again a 1 mark question. AZ DW, okay, AZ reverse, DW reverse, GT reverse. So I have some codes actually, I have remembered some codes. So DW I say dost wife, GT I say grand trunk, MN we know this is a reverse pair, but JP is not a reverse pair, okay. So this one is your odd option. Okay. Next is this question, again a puzzle. 10 persons go to the exam on different dates, 11 and 16 of 5 different months, January to May. Okay, so let's prepare the structure. January, February, March, April, May, 11 and 16. So 11 16 11 16 11 16 11 16 11 16. Okay, done. Now O goes to the exam on 16th February. So O goes on 16th February. More than 4 persons go to the exam between O and S, 1 2 3 4. So you have to leave this one as well, S, because it says more than 4. The number of persons go for the exam before S is the same as after P. So P comes here. V goes just before Q in the same month. V goes just before Q in the same month, which has an even number of days. So March has 31 days, April has 30 days. So here VQ comes over here in April. Then no one goes between P and M. So M comes here. T goes just before N. T goes just before N, TN. Okay. Then U goes after R. So U over here, R over here. This is the complete array. Now comes syllogism questions. Only a few cat are rat. Only a few cat. So this is cat, this is rat. Only a few cat or rat. So I'll mark it like this. No rat or horse. No rat or horse. All horse are dog. Okay. Some cat is dog. Some cat is dog. Okay. No dog is cat. Now some cat is dog is false. False means we cannot say actually. We are not sure. No dog is cat. Regarding this also we are not sure. But the variables are the same. So what can we say? We can say either or. Okay. So if either, conclusion 1 or conclusion 2, option C. Next, all lychee are mango. So all lychee are mango. Only a few mango are orange. Only a few mango are orange. Okay. Only a few orange are papaya. Only a few orange are papaya. Okay. All papaya being mango is a possibility. All papaya being mango. Yes, all papaya can become mango. Some orange is lychee. Some orange is lychee. No, there is no direct connection. So we cannot say. So 1 is true. Only conclusion 1. Here 1 is true. Why? Because here we are talking about possibility. Okay. Only a few table are chair. Only a few table are chair. Okay, next, all chair are books. All chair are books. Only a few book are pen. Okay. All table being chair is a possibility. All table being chair. All table cannot be chair because only a few table are chair. Okay. So some table is of course there which is not chair. So all table being chair is never a possibility. It can never be true. All book being pen is a possibility. All book being pen. Again the same thing. Only a few book are pen. So there are some books like this portion which is not pen. So again this one is incorrect. So your answer is neither. Neither 1 nor 2. Next. All dream are night. Dream, night. No night is star. Okay. No dream is sweet. No dream is sweet. Okay. Some star is dream. Some star is dream. No. No night is star, which means no dream is star. Okay, so this is correct. This is incorrect. Okay, the first one is wrong. Some sweet is night is a possibility. Some sweet is night. Yes, it can be, because no dream is sweet, but sweet can come here. Some sweet can come here. It can be a possibility. Okay, because with night we do not have a direct link, so it can be a possibility. So this one is true. So your answer is only conclusion 2. Okay, so next we have some Chinese coding questions which I am not going to solve. So please. Next is this puzzle. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G take different fruits on different days. Okay, so this is the day puzzle. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right. Next. B takes fruit on Wednesday. Okay. 2 persons take fruit between B and A, who takes banana. 2 persons, so A should come here. A takes banana. The number of persons take fruit after A is same as the number of persons takes fruit before E. Okay, so E should come here. Who takes papaya? Papaya here. G takes fruit just before D. G takes fruit just before D, so G, D here. Who takes grapes? So D takes grapes. C takes fruit 2 days before the one who takes lychee. Before means C should come here. 2 days before, so lychee should come here. Both F and G does not take apple. Okay, so G. Okay, F should come here. F and G does not take do not take apple, so apple should come here. F does not take guava, so guava must come here, and only one fruit is left, that is apricot. Apricot should come over here. This is the complete arrangement. So now with this I'll end the video here. There are some Chinese coding questions which you can easily solve, so I'll not solve those questions over here. So you can go to the Adda app and over there go to daily quiz, and there you will find this question paper. Okay, this is a memory based RRB PO Prelims question paper. Thank you everyone. Bye.